Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Cognitive Defusion Log Worksheet. What is a Cognitive Defusion Log Worksheet? Cognitive diffusion is a popular technique in acceptance and commitment therapy, or ACT, which allows clients to transform their thoughts for greater well-being. Cognitive diffusion involves distancing oneself from the content and impact of thoughts and allows individuals to observe them without judgment or attachment. It's based on the recognition that thoughts aren't necessarily accurate reflections of reality and they shouldn't hold power over individuals. Through cognitive diffusion, clients can detach unhelpful thoughts and create space for intentional value-based living. Cognitive diffusion can be facilitated through metaphorical exercises, verbal repetition, or utilizing mindfulness practices. Metaphors such as viewing thoughts as passing clouds or leaves on a stream helps clients detach from the content of their negative thoughts and view them as passing events. Verbal repetition involves repeating a thought until it loses its impact and becomes a series of sounds. Mindfulness practices enhance awareness of the present moment and enables individuals to observe thoughts without becoming entangled with them. Cognitive diffusion has been proven effective in various mental health conditions, including anxiety disorders, depression, trauma-related disorders, and chronic pain. It can improve psychological well-being and encourage positive thought for healthier quality of life and happiness. As a result, it is commonly used by psychologists, counselors, and more. Here's how to use a Cognitive Diffusion Log Worksheet. The first step is to fill in the client information and read the instructions. You will then need to identify unhelpful thoughts and their impact. Finally, note a diffusion technique as well as complete the reflection and reorientation sections. To view a sample worksheet of the Cognitive Diffusion Log, visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the worksheet for free. You can also access the worksheet through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keywords to find the note and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.